Hi guys!
Hello.
Finally
We've been gone for a while.
together again. Well, they also needed like a break for it.
Yeah,
like,
we overwhelmed you guys with a lot of content.
that's what it kind of feels
we
like
felt
sometimes.
like, so we're like, let's just slow it up for a little bit. So
yeah. Although I don't know if that's like a good strategy.
We've been getting feedback like where you guys
yeah.
So we're like,
I just didn't want it to be because when we go on, it's like a weird thing. When we go on a trip and then we come back, we have a lot of videos to share with you guys, and we try to get them out like sometimes 2 or 3 times a week, so that we can only be doing the video series for maybe 3 weeks. But if we spread them all out, it would be like months of like a 4-day trip, which
so we try to just get it done so you guys don't get too bored with the same content for like 6 months.
Yeah, but then we're like, oh my gosh, you have had so much booze in your life. We don't want to be like, hey, look at us every 5 seconds. But you guys apparently want to see more. So, we've been traveling.
Yeah, I've been working and stuff. And you guys know the new job and all that. So
yes.
And we are rarely together a lot, so...
maybe we'll make a video about that, like what's going on with that, like update / whatever. But this video is a... announcement
video.
We're going on our next cruise! Yay! Yay!
And it's not just us. We're going with our friends.
We're going with one of my best friends and his husband, Jason and Matt. I have known Jason for like a decade or something, and Matt, they have been married for several years now. We went to their wedding, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
2017.
So 2 years. Yeah, 2 years.
2016.
No, I think it was 2 years.
I don't remember.
Anyway, we were at their wedding, and when we moved here, we had no idea, but we moved maybe 5 minutes down from their house.
Practically. And we didn't know until we came.
Until we came.
When we came to visit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are going, details. So we are going on the Carnival Inspiration, which is the sister ship to the Fascination, which if you haven't watched those videos, go watch those videos. Love that ship. But this one has actually been updated. So this one has like Red Frog's Pub. This one has Guy's Burgers. This one has the Cantina with burritos and whatnot. He's like, I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
He literally, before we push play, he goes, what's the date?
I know we're going on the cruise. I just don't know.
We're going November 11th.
We're going out of Long Beach.
Yes, November 11th. Carnival Inspiration out of Long Beach. It's a 4-day cruise. We are going from Long Beach
4 days.
to...
I just found that out too.
Big. to Catalina Island, which I've never been to. Have you been?
I've been to Catalina,
Yes. But we're going there. We're going to Catalina, which I'm so excited. If you guys have been to these places also, please let us know. We are going to hopefully rent some golf carts on Catalina because I hear that that's what everyone does. And I think that'd be so fun because the Florida kid in me who grew up on golf courses never got to do it.
I've never driven a golf course.
We're going to do golf courses.
And then we're also going to Ensenada again, right?
We are going to Ensenada. So we're going to Ensenada. We're going to do something different. No,
that's it?
Go back. So it's leave... I believe it's Catalina, Ensenada, day at sea, and then back, which I'm so excited. It's weird because we did Princess and we've, done some other ones. I'm kind of excited about being back on the Inspiration and being at Carnival for 2 reasons. One, I'm excited because we've never cruised with friends.
Right.
I'm excited.
Yeah, not. It's the first time, so.
Yay. Yes, and they're like...
They should be fun.
They're so fun, but they're also like the oldest young gay people you'll ever meet. They're like, get off my lawn. So it'll be
if you're watching
hilarious.
Matt and Jason,
they know.
You know.
They know. They know. The only cruise that they've really been on is Disney Cruise because they were like, well, we wanted it to be luxury. I love how I give them this old voice. But it's going to be hilarious to see them on Carnival. A party boat. Hopefully we're going to...
Are we doing the drink package?
Yeah, I think we're going to do the drink package.
We are doing
this go around.
Yeah.
Because we've never done that.
We've never done it.
You've never done the drink package. Also, very important to our Patreons, Please let us know what you guys want to see, because you guys are a big reason that we are going on this cruise. So let us know exactly if there's anything in Catalina that you want us to see, if there's any thing on that ship that you want us to do, or Ensenada,
to eat at, things you want us to try, excursions.
Let us know. You guys are, I mean, you're all our booze and you're all our priority, but it's really because of the Patreons that we're able to do some of this. So let us know if we can, we will do it. Brunches. If you want to see I think they have like a tea, I think. Oh, I'm also excited because Carnival has the late night comedy shows.
Oh yes,
I missed the comedy shows on Princess.
We didn't do any comedy because they didn't have it.
No, but it's a trade-off because they won't have movies at sea, so we won't get to see the movies.
Yeah, that was nice too.
But they will have the comedy shows, which I'm excited about. And you know, Carnival Inspiration 4-day trips is gonna be like a party boat, and so you know that club is gonna be lit.
It should be fun.
It's gonna be fun. I'm super excited.
What is it now? It's August now.
It is. Today is August 5th.
So we have 3 months?
3 months.
So yeah, so
yes,
we can count down to that. It's big exciting.
We can. We just wanted to let you guys know the Boos are going on a cruise, and they are not going alone. We're going with another gay married couple. Although we're engaged, they're married. Oh, maybe they'll be in the dating, the marriage show, the love and marriage show.
Yeah, they may.
Newly married. That'd be so fun.
I forgot about the shows. They have the games too.
Yeah, they have the game show.
It'll be fun.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do it.
That's his fun dance, I guess.
I know, that's my fun dance. Shimmy. So, also, if you're wondering, we're house sitting. So...
Oh no, we didn't just move into this nice house. Like, we moved.
We're like, it's a mansion.
Thanks, Patreons.
I know, exactly. No. We are house/puppy sitting. The puppy, Crosby, who is a Shih Tzu.
But he's cute.
Is adorable.
It's not a cute name.
Yeah, no.
Looking for him,
he's over here, he's eating. Crosby, come here. All right, we'll show you him in the next video because we're gonna do a couple. This video was about saying hello, saying we miss you, announcing that we are going on a cruise, which our Patreons already knew because we already told you guys weeks ago, because you guys get the inside tip.
Oh, you have to let people know to follow the Facebook group, join the Facebook group.
Oh, yes.
We have a Facebook group.
Yes, it is called. Babe.
I know.
What is it called?
Booze Cruise Facebook.
No, it's not. It's called Booze Cruise Booze.
There we go.
Because Booze Cruise is the name of the channel, and you are our booze. So it's called Booze Cruise Booze. That's at BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it, booze. And make sure, please, make sure that you guys answer all the questions. That is how you get into the group. People have not answered the questions, and they have not been admitted to the group by our amazing moderators. Oh my gosh, Tracy, Chrissy, Pedro. They're just, you guys are what make that group awesome, and you guys are what make that group go. And the reason that we are so strict on that is because we really want it to be a safe space for everyone. We don't want any bullying, any negativity, none of that. And our moderators make sure that that happens. And the questions are you guys agreeing to not do any of those things. So, yay! We love you. We're coming back again right now. We're gonna click off
some questions.
Be in the same clothes because we're gonna do this the same day because Jarrell is leaving tomorrow. So we're gonna pump out 2, maybe 3 videos today for you guys that you have requested. So we love you. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It's at Booze Cruise. That's at BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it,
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe,
all
that stuff.
All that stuff. We love you.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Going on a cruise.